Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to link an external bank account to your PNC account in 2025. Whether you're looking to transfer funds seamlessly or consolidate your finances, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your PNC online banking credentials ready. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the PNC website. Log in with your username and password to access your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Accounts or Transfers section. It's usually on the main menu. Next, find the option to add an external account. This might be under Manage Accounts or Linked Accounts. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter details from your external bank, like the bank's name, your account number, and routing number. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any issues. After entering the info, PNC will typically require verification. In 2025, this often involves small test deposits, known as micro-deposits, which you'll need to confirm from your external bank's app or website. Once verified, go back to PNC and enter the exact amounts of those deposits to complete the link. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication for added security when linking accounts. If you run into any hiccups, like errors or delays, check PNC's help center or contact their support. They're usually quick to assist. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your external bank account to PNC. This feature can save you time and make managing your money a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.